Hello, my amazing students. Today, I'm going to real quick show you how to use Discovery Ed. The login information should be on your personal login page. If it's not, it's your normal login that we use for everything. If you can't get in it that way, just text me and let me know. When you log in, and you need to make sure that you log in with your ID, not just go to Discovery Ed and do it as a guest, but log in with your ID. You should have a home page when you do, and it'll say welcome, your name, and upcoming assignments. You can see your upcoming assignments here. They will only show up the day I assign them, and they will go away after the due date. I will be assigning all of your assignments on Monday, and then they'll be due on Friday because some of you like to work way ahead. So instead of having to wait on Wednesday when I assign it, I'll just assign them all on Monday. They'll be due Friday by 3 p.m. Okay, have your assignments here. You can click View All Assignments. It'll show the class, who assigned it, which will be me. You can click, if you don't see anything here and it says you don't have any assignments, but you know something's on your agenda, click here and look at completed. It'll show if you've got them completed. If it comes up here that it's completed, then it will show on my side that it's completed. If it's not in this completed section, then I can't see it to grade it. So you want to look at past due. Check there. If it's past due and you haven't turned it in, go back and do it, because you got zeros on them in your agenda until I see those. And then if it is past due, you need to let me know, because I've got a bunch of kids and I'm going to check every day to see if you did your past due work. Okay. When you get into Discovery Ed, click on the assignment. It'll tell you if you've started it, if you've not started it, because you can stop in between. It tells you the due date. That will usually be on Fridays. Okay. Now it will show you everything that's in this section. Make sure you're just doing the ones that say they're assigned, because you can do them all. It's just a lot other work that I might not be grading. So this part's assigned. Now the thing with Discovery Ed is you look, it will have questions for you to do. Those are graded. Those do count as part of your grade. So when you leave them blank, I put it as a 0. So make sure that you read the directions, answer in complete sentences, use capitals. You guys know how to write sentences. This is just an essential question, kind of what you should be focusing on as you go through. If you look here, that one didn't have videos on it, but you need to make sure that you scroll all the way down and see the videos. Okay, this is an image. This is an image. Those aren't videos. They are images to view. Answer the questions, so forth. It does let me know if you viewed images, if you haven't viewed them, if they're assigned, if you viewed videos, how long you were on the video, if you watched the whole thing or not. So here's a video segment. Okay, it's 1 minute and 59 seconds. Now, some of your agendas might look like they have a ton of stuff on them, but like the videos are short like this, 1 minute, 59 seconds. So this one's 3 minutes and 15 seconds. So make sure you go through, you watch all the videos that are there, look at any images, and answer any questions that it has. When you are finished, it will mark it as complete. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.